Hello there, I'm Dr. Matt Davis, a primary care pediatrician and the director of the C.S. Mott Children's Hospital National Poll on Children's Health. This month, we're talking about the problem of whooping cough, the medical name for which is pertussis. Whooping cough is a preventable disease. In fact, the recommendation is to protect every infant against whooping cough with the well-known DTP vaccine. And that vaccine has worked well for the past 50 years. What we found out over the past 10 to 20 years, however, is that the protection from that early childhood vaccine can decrease over time. That means that booster shots are an important part of protecting our communities against whooping cough. There's a relatively new vaccine called the TDAP vaccine, also safe and effective, which is available for teens and adults. It's recommended for teens and adults to get this whooping cough booster shot at least every 10 years. In this month's C.S. Mott Children's Hospital National Poll on Children's Health, we asked adults across the country about what they think parents should do to help protect their newborns from whooping cough. First of all, we found that 60% of adults across the country have no idea what their whooping cough vaccination status is. We found that 72% of adults nationwide agree that parents should insist that visitors to the hospital when they have their newborn there should have been updated in terms of their pertussis vaccination status. In addition, we found that 61% of adults nationwide feel that parents have the right to insist that visitors to their home for their newborn should have their pertussis vaccination up to date. Overall, then, there's strong public support for this idea that parents should have the ability, and in fact, the right, to protect their newborns from pertussis illness. That's in addition to whatever hospital policies may exist, and hospitals do vary in what they recommend regarding pertussis vaccine. But the important message is clear. Whether or not a hospital has a policy around whooping cough vaccine, parents have strong public support to have their own policies to protect their kids against this dread disease.